Hello students. In this session of organic chemistry, we'll discuss about concepts in organic chemistry. In organic reactions, the reactant molecule in organic reactions, the reactant molecules react with attacking species to give products. Organic reactions reactant molecule attacking species and reaction ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. These reactant molecules in organic chemistry are referred as substrate molecules. ಇವನ್ನ substrate molecule ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. These are referred as substrate molecules, and this attacking the species are called as reagents. They react to give products. These reagents or attacking species, they are either positively charged or negatively charged. ಇವು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಆರ್ negatively charged species. These positively charged species, they attack the region of high electron density in the substrate molecule. Means if the electron density is more in the substrate molecule on any site, this positive charged reagent molecule or attacking species attacks. ಈ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ದಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ reagents attack the region in the substrate molecule where electron density is low. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ದಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆರ್ ಅ ಸೈಟ್ ವೇರ್ electron density is low in the substrate molecule. The factors which influences the electron density in the substrate are, first is inductive effect, second is electromeric effect, third is mesomeric effect. As we have learned that the organic molecules or substrate molecules or these reactant molecules in organic compounds, they are neutral because covalent bond is found between the two atoms. If how covalent bond is formed? By sharing electrons, by sharing equal number of electrons. So definitely there is no polarity or positive and negative charges are not present in the molecule. But this attacking species, they are positive charge or negative charge, definitely they attack. That means there is polarity or plus and minus charge in the substrate molecule. That is explained by this inductive, electromeric or mesomeric effect. Now we'll discuss one by one. First we'll discuss inductive effect. Now we'll discuss inductive effect. It is also denoted as I effect. Alphabet I effect. Okay, this inductive effect involves sigma electrons. This is denoted by this sigma. Inductive effect involves sigma electrons of a chain of singly bonded carbon atoms like this. If single bond is present, then these particular bonds are called as sigma bonds, and the electrons associated with sigma bonds are called as sigma electrons. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದನೇ ಉಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತದೆ. Okay, a covalent bond. How covalent bond is formed? By sharing electrons, equal number of electrons between two atoms. Now, how polarity is produced? Here, each atom is associated with some electronegativity value. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅಟಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ability of an atom in a covalently bonded molecule to attract shared pair of electrons towards itself. Okay, yes, because of the difference in electronegativity you are going to get plus or minus charges in the organic molecule. More electronegative atom, more electronegative atom acquires partial negative charge the less electronegative atom, the less electronegative atom acquires, actually it is ACQ acquires a partial positive charge. Partial negative charge is denoted by writing delta minus. Partial positive charge is denoted by writing delta plus. Okay, for example, let us consider this C and X. Here, assume that X is more electronegative. The electrons are drawn, or it is having more ability. This is more electronegative atom which is attached to this carbon atom. Then the electrons are drawn towards X. ಎಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸನ್ನು ತಂದ ಕಡೆ ಎಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಮೋರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ positive charge. Okay, here the electronegativity of this X is more than carbon. Let us consider one more case. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ CY. Now here Y is less electronegative atom ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಹೀಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಎಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ದೆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದೆನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, ವೈ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ಸ್ positive charge. In this way, polarity or plus and minus charges are generated in the organic molecule What is the main reason? Electronegativity factor. Because of electronegativity, we are going to get the positive and negative charges in the molecule, and such effect is called as inductive effect. It is permanent displacement of bonded pair of electrons in a molecule as a result of more or higher, as a result of higher electronegativity of one atom compared to the another is called as inductive effect. Inductive effect is of two types. They are plus inductive effect and negative inductive effect. Now we'll discuss negative inductive effect. As the inductive effect is of two types, there are we are having two types of inductive effect: minus I effect or negative inductive effect, and plus I effect, positive inductive effect. Here, negative inductive effect. Here, atoms or groups which draws electron from this carbon atom. For example, we'll consider this Cl. Right here H, this is organic molecule. The atoms or groups which draws electrons from this carbon atom. Suppose Cl draws electrons from this carbon atom like this. Draws electrons from this carbon atom are said to have minus I effect, are said to have negative inductive effect, and such type of groups are called as electron attracting groups. Such types of groups are called as electron attracting groups. The atoms or groups which draws electron from this carbon atom, they exhibit negative inductive effect, and such type of groups are called as electron attracting groups. Okay, now let us see the definition of negative inductive effect. The inductive effect where, this is the inductive effect where the displacement of electrons takes place from carbon atom to the substituent group or towards the substituent group. The inductive effect where the electron displacement takes place towards, this is substituent group, towards substituent group, towards substituent group. The inductive effect where the electron displacement takes place towards substituent group is called negative inductive effect. Displacement of electron takes place towards the substituent group are called as negative inductive effect. Now let us see some of the examples of about this the groups exhibit negative inductive effect. Here, if you consider NO2, this is having more minus I effect, then comes fluorine, then comes chlorine, then comes bromine. I have taken only few examples. I, OH, C6H5. All these exhibit negative inductive effect, but NO2 is having more negative inductive effect. Then comes fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, OH, then C6H5. These are all having the negative inductive effect in this order. Now let us discuss positive inductive effect. Plus I effect, or this is also called as positive inductive effect. Atoms or groups, for example, this is carbon atom, this is phi. Atoms or groups which loses electrons towards this carbon atom are said to have positive inductive effect, and such groups are called as electron releasing groups. These groups are called as electron releasing groups. Such type of groups, they lose electrons towards this carbon atom. They lose electron towards carbon atom, hence carbon acquires negative charge, this Y acquires positive charge. Because they lose electron towards this carbon atom, they are said to have plus I effect or positive inductive effect. Now let us see let us discuss the definition also. The inductive effect, this is the inductive effect where the displacement of electron takes place away from the substituent group. This is substituent group. This is our substituent group. Here, movement of electron takes place away from the substituent group, and this particular effect is called as plus I effect. The inductive effect where the displacement of electron takes place away from this substituent group is called as plus inductive effect. Now let us see the decreasing plus inductive effect of some of the groups. Here CH3 thrice carbon, this is having a tertiary butyl group. Tertiary butyl group is having plus more plus I effect. Then comes isopropyl, CH3 twice CH, this is isopropyl group. Then comes CH3 CH2, this is ethyl group. Then comes CH3, this is the order of or decreasing order of positive inductive effect of some of the groups. Now we'll discuss electromeric effect. Electromeric effect involves electromeric effect involves pi electrons of double and triple bonds. Okay, we can see electromeric effect in the compounds which contains double and triple bonds. Generally, pi electrons are involved in this electromeric effect. When double or triple bonds are exposed to an attack by a reagent, a pair of bonding electrons involved in pi bond is completely transferred from one atom to the another. When a double or triple bond is exposed to an attack by a reagent, then this pair of bonding electrons involved in the pi bond is completely transferred from one atom to the other. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮೆರಿಕ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟು pi electrons ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಡಬಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ electromeric effect in the compounds which contains double and triple bonds which contains pi electrons. ಡಬಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆದಾಗ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್, ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ನಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಆಟಮಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ಆಟಮಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಆಟಮಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮೆರಿಕ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. When a double or triple bond is exposed to an attack by a reagent, pair of electrons of this pi bond are completely shifted from or transferred from one atom to the other. This effect is called as electromeric effect. You can now see the definition. The complete transfer of a shared pair of pi electrons of a multiple bond, double or triple bond, to one of the shared atoms in the presence of attacking reagent is called electromeric effect. Electromeric effect is of two types, that is plus E effect and minus E effect. Now we'll discuss plus E effect and minus E effect separately. Positive electromeric effect. When H plus ion approaches the double bond of an alkene like this, suppose this is an alkene C double bond C H, when H plus ions, this is H plus ions, this H plus ions, this represents ethene molecule. H plus ions approaches the double bond of an alkene like this. The pi electrons of the double bond, pi electrons of this double bond, they get transferred to the carbon atom to which H plus ion gets attached like this. Movement of electron takes place towards the attack. When H plus ions approaches a double bond of an alkene, then these pi electrons of the double bond gets transferred to the carbon atom to which H plus ion gets attached, and you are going to get, in this case this is ethene, you are going to get such type of compound CH H H H H. This is ethyl carbocation. Ethyl carbocation. And this effect is called as positive electromeric effect. When here what happens, when H plus ions attacks or approaches double bond of an alkene, these pi electrons they get transferred towards the attack. Such type of effect is called as positive electromeric effect. When the electrons of pi bond are transferred to when the electrons of pi bond are transferred to that atom of the double bond to which the reagents gets attached. This effect is called as plus E effect or positive electromagnetic effect. Here what happens? The complete transfer of electron takes place towards attack. In plus E effect, complete transfer of the pi bonded electrons gets towards the attack, or transfer takes place towards the attack. That is known as positive electromagnetic effect. Now we'll discuss negative electromagnetic effect. Minus E effect or negative electromagnetic effect. When in this case Cn minus approaches the double bond of this carbonyl group, this is known as carbonyl group. When Cn minus approaches the double bond of this carbonyl group, then the pi electrons of this double bond, gets transferred to the oxygen. Here this attacks the carbon atom. Cn minus attacks the carbon atom. Then the pi bonded electrons of this carbonyl group gets transferred to the oxygen atom. And this particular effect is called as negative electromagnetic effect. Here what happens? Complete transfer of electrons, pi bonded electron takes place away from the attack. Here attack takes place to the carbon atom, so the movement of electron takes place away. Movement of the pi bonded electron takes place away from the attack. That is known as minus effect. In case of positive electromagnetic effect, the movement of electron takes place towards the attack. Here transfer takes place away from the attack, and you are going to get such type of intermediate compound. In this case, O minus H here Cn. You can write like this: C O minus Cn H. And this effect is known as minus E effect or negative electromagnetic effect. When the electrons of the pi bond, when the electrons of the pi bond are transferred away from the carbon atom, which gets linked to the attacking reagent. The effect is called minus E effect or negative electromagnetic effect. And this electromagnetic effect is temporary. It takes place only in the presence of attacking reagent. It is electromagnetic effect is temporary. Electromagnetic effect. You can see the electromagnetic effect only in the presence of attacking reagent. Once the attacking reagent is removed, the effect gets reversed. That is, the pi electrons pi electron pair is transferred to the original position, forming multiple bond again. If Cn minus is there, you are going to get such type of compound, or the transfer takes place towards oxygen atom. Once Cn minus is removed, and you are going to get same this carbonyl compound. This is about electromagnetic effect.